Okay, we're going to go over how to share your copy of the physical properties of matter scavenger hunt. Okay, first you need to make sure you have your first and last name in the title. Then you need to open the share link. Down here where it says anyone on the internet can edit, I need you to change that. I need you to make sure that it says anyone with this link can access it. I also want you to change it from editor to view. You don't want anyone changing your answers. Your answers are what you put. You don't want anyone changing that, even me. Once you have that all changed to anyone on the internet with this link can view, then you're going to copy that link. That's the link you're going to copy. Then you're going to say done. You're going to go back to the assignment page, which is Science Journal pages 47 ABC, and then you're going to say submit assignment. You see where it says Google Drive. You're going to click Google Drive. It won't let me do that while I'm pretending to be you. So once you have that Google Drive open, there's going to be a spot right here for you to put your link. You're going to paste the link in that spot. It's Control V, like Victor. So first you're going to copy the link from Google Drive, then you're going to come over here back into your submit assignment, and where it says Google Drive, you're going to paste that link in that spot. That's it. And then once you have completed that, it doesn't say it on here, but once you have completed that, you will hit the submit assignment. It won't let me go into the Google Drive while I'm pretending to be a student, but it will let you go into it because you are a student.